just start posting. For the iPhone, I just used Lightroom's RAW settings. For the DSLR, you're gonna focus on aperture, the ISO, and the shutter speed. For the light trail, I just used a lighter that had light. The smaller the light, the better. And then I used a tripod for my camera or for my iPhone just to keep it stable. And then you're gonna turn off the light and just start shooting. You're gonna take several pictures because it's gonna take some time, but I'm just showing you what I did here. And these are like results that I've gotten so far. Here I'm gonna show you how to use the flashlight when you turn off the lights. They just look so good. This is gonna be some of them. Now here I'm gonna show you guys how to edit. Some of the pictures kind of turned out really bad, really dark. You couldn't see the bottle of the perfume. So what I did is I took the picture from the flashlight and just cropped it out, cut it out. And that's what I'm doing here with InShot. I'm just carving out the bottle of perfume in detail, okay? Okay, next you're gonna go into photo. This is just, you're gonna add the PNG bottle of perfume into the original photo that you want to edit, because you saw there, it was just too dark. Then you're gonna go into Snapseed, and what you do here is you're going to blend in the PNG photo into the original photo. So I'm just darkening the sides, darkening the shadow of the perfume, the reflection of the perfume, and it turned out really good. I did have to do it again just for the shadow. The shadow was just too bright, and the shadow doesn't come out like that. Now you're gonna go into Lightroom and just edit your photo the way you like, and just make it more into one. Now you're gonna edit with the iPhone. I did it a little bit different. Go into retouch just to stretch it out, and then I did everything else the same thing, just in a different order, just because of the photo was different, because it was taken by the iPhone. And then here are before and after.